We're back again. Ryan D at ZZP.
And I'm Al.
And today, Al's a little mad, and we're going to talk about the reason why. We've had something that keeps coming up over and over again. And we keep seeing, especially with people who are a little more green to modifying a car. It's trying to buy a tune or get a tune to fix a problem. That is a big no-no and makes big, scary guys like Al really, really angry. Sometimes if you put parts on your car, there are things that you have to get a tune for. Injectors, sometimes cold air intakes, things like that. But if you have a problem with the car, oh, my car is throwing a P0300 code. We can't tune that in or tune that out. Al gets a lot of scans throughout the day, and a lot of people, nicely kind of wasting his time trying to fix a problem that he can't fix through a tune.
It's probably about 15 to 20% of the people that order PCM updates. And I send them an email like, hey, so what did you update? Oh, Car's got a misfire.
Guys, that is not the way you want to do that. No. Look, tunes
don't change. Okay, your stock tune doesn't change. The tune that we flash on it doesn't change. If you have a tuned car for a week, for a month, for a year, and then it starts running differently, the tune didn't change. Your car did. And I'm not going to change your tune because something's wrong with your car and try to band-aid it up. So stop asking me to. It just makes me mad and wastes both of our time.
We do not tune around problems, guys, and you do not want your car to be tuned around a problem. You want your car to be running mechanically sound, and then you have a tune to enhance your car as it is.
That's another big problem is I have to trust the customer that their car's in perfectly good mechanical condition. There's a lot of setups where, say I'm email tuning and it's an intake that we don't have a good base file for. So I just have to get close and then fine tune the fuel trims in. Well, if they have a vacuum leak that whole time, and then down the road they replace their vacuum lines and fix the vacuum leak, now they're gonna have a 172 code. And they're gonna say, oh, tune went bad. No, it didn't. The tune didn't change, your car changed. Mm-hmm. And this time, well, both times, it was your fault.
Mm-hmm. So, guys, all in all, what we're trying to say is don't buy a tune to fix a problem. Make sure your car is mechanically sound before you go buying a tune. And then Al doesn't get mad and yell at us and throw a bunch of stuff all the way around. It's a little frustrating when we hear that we need to fix a problem or tune something, or hey, my car's been running fine for a year and the tune went bad.
Which has happened. Do not email and say your tune went bad.
Yeah,
we will punch you through the email.
Guys, tunes don't go bad. No, you have to physically fry your ECU or PCM in order for that to happen.
No, your PCM could go bad, but that doesn't make your car run a little different. It makes your car not run.
There we go. So, from the tuner's mouth himself, and here's ZZP, guys.
Can you don't?
So guys, make sure your cars are running well and don't get tuned to fix problems. As usual, it's Ryan D at ZZP.
I'm Al.
That's Al. He's angry because he just has to deal with this.
Bye, Al. Another customer comes up one more time.